Okay, I've decided to sell this as a complete package if somebody wants it. Got, of course, my boiler, 8-inch pipe, 16 inches tall. It's got 9 copper tubes rolled in. Nice gauge on it, sight glass, hand pump, big firebox. And the engine. I've had this engine for sale for a while. Never run it on steam. Here it is for the first time. Runs perfect. Really nice older engine. Probably a sewing machine engine. I just got it running off of the boiler here. So it's all one package. The engine and the boiler on this one. Nice setup. Really nice water sight glass valves here. Look at this. These are really old and beautiful. I hand built these pumps. It's got a 9/16 ram on it. It's all brass. Water in here. This is your airlock valve right here. And fill and drain is right here. Just screw this on, you can fill it up with a garden hose. And a quick disconnect with a hand forged tool that goes with it right here. Nice gauge, 3.5 inch. Top off valve is set up to go at 100. 42 inches to the top of the stack. And the engine goes with it. You can buy the engine alone or the boiler or the complete package. Okay, and it's 3.5 inch bore and 3.5 inch stroke on the engine. And it's about 18 inches long. Kind of wants to take off there. Beautiful. And it runs like it was brand new. So it'll be all one package on eBay for sale.